Well, hello there. So, welcome to another of my YouTube video. It's your host, Orsel, and on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to build a website with WordPress. So, basically, a lot of you guys are wondering WordPress. For beginners, I'm going to make it simple. WordPress is another platform to build a website without you, or rather, it helps you build a website without you learning how to code. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to download WordPress, or rather how to get WordPress. Yeah. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to do an internet connection. So if you don't have one, ensure you get an internet connection, please. Then we're going to need a browser, be it Microsoft Edge, Microsoft, or whatever browser you're using, be it Chrome, whatever browser you're using, just get a browser. Then simple, you have to go to their website, which is wordpress.org. So you can see this is the correct spelling. Ensure your spellings are correct. WordPress.org. Then when you get to the website, all you have to do is click on Get WordPress. Then you scroll down here. And I'm going to explain what these options are. I'm going to explain what these are about. First of all, you see this option by your left, which is download and install it yourself. So basically, you can download WordPress and install it offline. You can use WordPress offline without you having to use a hosting provider. A hosting provider is a platform that help you put your website online. So on this video, I'm going to be using a hosting provider, rather because I have one already. But for those of you guys that is actually your first time, if you don't actually have a hosting provider, you are new to coding, or rather you are new to WordPress, you should definitely download WordPress offline. This is the current version of WordPress. You can download it, and there's an installation guide. So there's how to install it. Ensure that you have a server already, and how to get the server is quite simple. How to get a server, you just have to go to XAMPP. I use XAMPP. XAMPP is the server I make use of. You can see this is XAMPP. XAMPP is a server. It helps you run websites on your local laptop without having to go online. So this is XAMPP. You definitely get XAMPP, and also you need a I would say you need a code editor, but basically since you are using WordPress, the code editor will not really be needed. So basically this is XAMPP. After downloading XAMPP, for those of you installing WordPress, or rather installing WordPress offline. After downloading XAMPP, this is it. There are different versions depending on the type of laptop you are using, or rather what you need. So after downloading XAMPP, this is for Linux, this is for OS. You see there are different type of platforms. This is for Windows also. So you can download this for Windows if you are using Windows. If you are using Linux, this is for you. If you are using OS, this is for you. So whatever platform you are using, you can actually download that. Then after downloading it, you can go straight to after downloading it, you just have to install it, your normal installation. After installing it, you click on this PC, you click on local disks, and you click on XAMPP, which is this. You can actually find it as XAMPP. Click on XAMPP, then you see on XAMPP, you see a folder named htdocs. This is it, htdocs. This is where you're going to put your WordPress that you're actually going to download. This WordPress, the WordPress here now. After downloading your WordPress, this is where you're going to put it inside this folder named htdocs. Yeah. So when let me go from it again. After getting to this PC, or clicking on this PC on your file explorer, click on local disk. After clicking on local disk, you look for the folder named XAMPP. After clicking on XAMPP, then you scroll down, you look for the folder called htdocs. You double click also, then you enter the folder. This is where you are going to put the file you are downloading from this website named wordpress.org. So when you download it, it's probably going to be in zip format. You just have to unzip it and download it and paste it here. After you paste it here, basically you have your WordPress. It will start working. So you understand what I'm trying to say. So for those of us that are using this thing, a hosting provider like me right now, which is hosting provider are examples like Hosting, which you can actually see GoDaddy. Yeah, let me show you guys GoDaddy. GoDaddy is actually a hosting provider also. So you can use these hosting providers. Yeah, these people are hosting providers also. There are lots and lots of options. Depends on what you can afford, or rather what you want. So one way or another, this is actually after installing WordPress. It's going to give you an interface like this, basically. So, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and rather create a website with WordPress. So basically, if you don't know how to code, rather you have like zero knowledge on how to code WordPress. So I'm just trying to make this really easy for you guys. All you have to do is go to scroll down a bit, look for the place called plugins. All you have to do is look for the place called plugins. Plugins. After clicking on plugins, it's going to take you there. When you get to plugins, you're going to find it like this. Basically, that's it. So, okay, this. What you have to do is click on add new plugin. Add new plugin. Add new plugin. Then now you're going to go to the search bar. You're going to search for the plugin named Elementor. So this is it. This is Elementor. All you have to do is click on install. After installing, you wait a bit and you click on activate. After click on activate, now you see what you just installed, or rather you don't know what it is for. Let me give you a quick explanation. Elementor is actually a website builder also. It's actually a plugin that works with WordPress. It helps you build a website without you coding at all. You just have to drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Basically, that's how you build your website with Elementor. So I'm going to give you guys a brief showcase of Elementor right here. So you have to do is scroll down a bit and just look for Elementor, which is this. You can see it's Elementor. After clicking on Elementor, you see it. This is Elementor basically. So you can actually watch a guide on how to use Elementor. But basically, since you're watching my video already, I'm not going to tell you to watch a guide on using Elementor. All you have to do is create a page. So basically, you can create a website with Elementor with like zero effort. Click on create a page and let's see. Create a page now to take you there. Since you're working with Elementor, and now basically we're trying to create a page. This is an already made website. Rather, if you are using WordPress, it will give you a theme that is basically comes with a default theme. So when you're using Elementor for the first time, basically it will give you something like this. It has a header already, but one way or another, despite it having a header, there's nothing here on the body. So this is what you're trying to build, right? So you can see it's telling you what to do. You can add a website logo, you can set up a global color, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Basically, you just have to be able to read and understand what you're trying to tell you. Then you it's actually to create your first three pages. It's actually to set up a header. So one way or another, you can do all that with Elementor. You can do all of this with Elementor. Basically, it's that simple. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how simple it is to use Elementor. So since this is your page and you're trying to build something with Elementor, you just have to, this is your page right now. You're going to click on the plus icon. You can create a firebox, you can create a grid, whatever one you decide to do. We're going to be creating a grid just to show you guys something real quick. I want to select this particular one, structured. So basically on Elementor, all you have to do is like now this particular box here right now, you want to make an edit to it, or rather you want to put something there. You just have to click on it. While you click on it, it's going to give you different options by your left. You have to scroll down. If you want to put a video here on this particular box, you just have to click on video. And this particular box, you can actually turn into a video. If you want to put a picture on this other box right here now, all you have to do is click on images by your left. It will turn to an image. You want to actually, the same thing goes here, bro. So basically, it's actually self-explanatory. I don't actually have to do a lot of explanation on that. You want to change the image here. You see this edit icon on the top. You click on it, and it will give you an option to select other images rather. So when you click on it, give an option to select other images. So when you click on it, by your left, you see it has choose an image. You can actually delete the image, choose an image, whatever you want to do. You can increase the size of the image. You can put a caption. You can put a link. Yeah, so whenever somebody clicks that image, it takes them to another of your page, or rather, whatever thing you decide to do, Elementor helps you do that. You can decide to change the picture to this now. So it's another picture now. See, it's changed the picture particularly. Same thing with this video. Click on the edit icon. After I click on it, you can switch it from YouTube to Dailymotion, whatever platform. If you are trying to create a website that actually shows animation, you're not going to be using YouTube, you're going to be using Dailymotion, yeah, which is most of the ones people are using. But for this video, I'm using YouTube. So we're going to go there now and copy the link for the particular video we want to put on this website. So let's use one of my video, which is this. We're going to click on share. I'm going to copy this. We're going to go back to Elementor and we're going to paste this right there. After pasting it, you see it will actually change. You can see that it has changed. Basically, it's that simple. It's that simple. You can see it has changed. And when you click on it, it will actually play the video. So as you can see, to play the video, you can click on it, it will enlarge it. Welcome to another my YouTube video. So basically that's it. First time on my YouTube video. I say welcome. Thank you. So basically that's it. You can see this is how you create a website with WordPress, basically. And you can actually close this Elementor right here. Let's go back to the previous page. And you can see without using Elementor, the other ways to maybe build a website on WordPress also, all you have to do is go to appearance. See appearance, you click on appearance. When you get to appearance, as you can see, this is a plugin I'm actually using right now. And you can see you can customize this particular plugin. You can customize it. When you click on customize, it will load. Then you can start making edits. You can edit whatever you're saying here is editable. Believe it or not, whatever you're saying here is editable. So let's go back to, and those of you like, you may not actually like this particular design I'm actually using. So I'm going to give you other options on how to change them if you don't want to use Elementor. So this is, you just have to click on add new theme. Click on add new theme. You can see there are a lot of templates here. There are lots, and if you decide to use this, you can click on this and install it. Block C. Block C is a very popular theme, so you can use that. So depending on what you are doing, if you're planning on selling gadgets, you can see this one here. Envo one is actually used for selling gadgets. So you're planning on selling clothes or rather fitness stuff like that. So whatever you're trying to do, WordPress has a template built for that particular purpose already. So all you have to do is select it and edit it, change the names you want to change, update the pictures, and basically your website is good to go. So using WordPress is very, very easy because there are a lot of features now on WordPress that have made things easy. So no matter how complex your website is, or no matter how complex what you're trying to build is, WordPress has made it easy. So you should definitely consider using WordPress as a web developer, or whatever you're trying to do, you should definitely consider using WordPress. Basically, that's it. You can see it's built the website, like basically everything you need. All you have to do is edit, change it. You can change what is written here. You can change whatever you want to do, you just have to do it. That's it. So basically, so I believe with this, you guys should be able to understand how to use WordPress, or rather how to build a website with WordPress. And thank you guys for watching, or rather for listening also. And I'm see you guys on the next video. If this is your first time, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much, and ensure you do share this video. A lot of people are there looking for how to get this right now. So these skills are basically out here for you guys for free. You definitely put it to use. Thank you. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.